Students, solving numericals in physics help us to understand physics in more better way. So today we are going to solve some numericals from the chapter motion. So let us start with today's session of numericals, and this will be from chapter 8, that is motion. Let us read first problem. The problem reads, an object travels 16 meters in 4 seconds and then another 16 meters in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of the object? Okay. यहाँ पे एक ऑब्जेक्ट है जो पहले 16 मीटर्स ट्रैवल कर रहा है 4 सेकेंड्स में और फिर और 16 मीटर्स ट्रैवल कर रहा है 2 सेकेंड्स में, और हमें निकालना क्या है? एवरेज स्पीड ऑब्जेक्ट का. ठीक है, what we have to find? Average speed of the object. So while solving any numerical, first what we have to do is arrange all the information that is given. तो हमें क्या क्या दिया है यहाँ पे? टोटल डिस्टेंस क्या आएगा? 16 meters plus 16 meter. What we have to do? Add both of them. To find total distance, add 16 meter from both the numbers. Okay, 16 meters plus 16 meters, you will get 32 meters. And then you have to find total time. How to find total time? Add first 4 seconds and the next 2 seconds to each other so as to get 6 seconds. Okay, it's very simple algebra. This maths is from primary schools. Okay, we have already done this type of things. So finally what we have to find is average speed, and the formula for average speed is total distance divided by total time. Total distance already we have found 32 meters. Total time also we already know 6 seconds. So the thing is we have to only divide 32 by 6 and the answer will be 5.33 meters per second. So this is our final answer, and this is how we solve this numerical. Let us see next numerical number 2. Suppose there is a boy enjoying a ride on merry-go-round which is moving with a constant speed of 10 meters per second. Excuse me for the spelling, it is a mistake. Okay, so excuse me for the typo, it should be MERRY. Okay, so merry-go-round which is moving with a constant speed of 10 meters per second, it implies that boy is. Okay, so what we have to find here is what exactly situation is with the boy. Okay, he is moving with the constant speed 10 meters per second, but he is revolving. So what we have to do here is find out the situation in which boy is. Is he in uniform velocity? Is he in uniform speed? Whatever. So first of all, arrange the information. Whatever information is given. As per information given in the problem, boy is enjoying a ride on merry-go-round which is moving with a constant speed of 10 meters per second. Okay. So as per information, he is on a merry-go-round ride and he is moving with a constant speed of 10 meters per second. So when the boy moves in circular path in merry-go-round with uniform speed, its motion is UCM or uniform circular motion. In uniform circular motion, speed remains constant, but the direction changes continuously. So velocity is not the same, and since velocity is not same, this is a accelerated motion. So the boy is in accelerated form of motion. So motion of an object in circle with constant speed is an example of accelerated motion. So the answer is accelerated motion. So let us see the next problem, numerical 3. The problem reads, speed time graph of the car is given. So this is a graph, and what we have to find here is total distance traveled, and for this you have to seek the information from graph only. whatever is given in the graph. So we have to take the information from graph, make the use of it to find out total distance. हमें क्या करना है, इस ग्राफ का यूज करके उससे इंफॉर्मेशन लेके हमें टोटल डिस्टेंस निकालना है. Given the speed time graph of the car, we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed क्या है, distance upon time. तो distance क्या आएगा, distance will be speed into time. हमें distance निकालना है तो speed into time करना पड़ेगा. और इस ग्राफ में y एक्सिस पे है स्पीड और x एक्सिस पे है टाइम. तो अगर हम दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, अगर हम एरिया निकालेंगे तो हमें डिस्टेंस मिलेगा. ओके, सो लेट अस फाइंड द टोटल डिस्टेंस. In this case, finding out the area underline AF will give you total distance. I already said this. So total area will be equal to area of triangle over here and area of rectangle over here. I will just magnify the image. Can you see the triangle? So this is a triangle and over here there is a rectangle. So if I add both the areas, I will get total area. So let us find area of triangle first. What is formula for area of triangle? Half into base into height, right? Half into base into height. So value of half is nothing but 0.5, right? Then base is around 50. So here I have written 50 and height is around 25. 30 minus 5 will give you 25. So 50 into 25 into 0.5. That will give you area of triangle. And then to find area of rectangle, you have to simply multiply length into breadth. So length is around 50 units and breadth is 5 units. So multiply them, 5 into 50. So multiplying this first 3 terms, you will get 625, and this last 2 terms, if you multiply, you will get 250. So 250 plus 625 will give you 875 meters. So what will be the total distance? Total distance will be 875 meters. So the correct answer is 875 meters. Students, I forgot to tell you that I had taken these numericals from the class test that we had taken recently. Okay, so I purposely took these problems because some of you have made mistakes. So to help you, I had taken particularly these numericals. Now the next problem was asked by one of our student, your classmate, and that problem reads: an athlete completes one round of circular track of diameter 200 meters in 40 seconds. What will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds? I will read the problem again. An athlete completes one round of circular track. So there is this circular track whose diameter is 200 meters and he completes one complete round in 40 seconds. In how much time? 40 seconds. And what we have to find? Distance covered and displacement at the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So both things you have to find. First is distance, which is a scalar quantity, and then there is a displacement, which is a vector quantity, and this you have to find at the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So time has been given, diameter of the circle is given, and time to complete one round is also given. So this information you have to arrange in your problem. Diameter of circular track 200 meters, radius 100 meters, simple division 200 divided by 2 will give you 100 meters, and then time taken to complete one round is 40 seconds. Next thing is what we have to find: distance covered and displacement. Both the things you have to find. So what formula you will use to find total distance? Distance is easy. You have to make use of the speed relation. Speed is equal to distance upon time. This we had used in earlier problem also. So speed, if it is distance upon time, then distance will be speed into time. Now to find the distance, you can find the circumference. Circumference is easy. Formula is 2 pi r. Value of pi whole world knows, right? and r is given 100 meters, and time also we know. Time is how much? 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So you have to convert it into seconds. You cannot take both simultaneously. Either you convert seconds to minute or minute to second. But SI system unit, standard system unit is seconds. So you convert minutes to seconds. So converting 2 minutes into second, you will give you 120 seconds, and 120 plus 20 will give you 140 seconds. Well, now number of rounds. Number of rounds you have to find out. How to find number of rounds? Total time taken divided by time taken to complete one round. So 140 divided by 40 will give you 3.5. So how many rounds he is completing? 3.5. So first round, second round, third round, and fifth is half. So if he starts from here, after completing, this is 1, 2, 3, and then half, 3 and a half. Okay, so what we have to do here is now first find out total distance. So total distance will be 3.5 into circumference. So what is circumference? Circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is 100 meters. So 3.5 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 100. You have to simply multiply these factors, and that will give you around 2200 meters. So multiplying these numbers will give you 2200 meters. Next is distance. We already know now distance covered is 2200 meters, or you can simply say 2.2 kilometers. Now displacement, very important. Displacement is 200 meter. Do you know why? Because after starting from point X and completing 3.5 rounds, he will reach at point Y. So this is from X to X will one round, then X to Y second round, X to again X, that completes 3 rounds, and then X to Y will complete half round. So 3 rounds and then half, then he will reach at point Y. So starting at X, he will reach at Y. So displacement is simply the distance or the path length between X and Y. So direct measurement between X and Y gives you 200 meters. So displacement is only 200 meters. Well, that's the way of solving this problem. That was all for today. I hope you understood how to solve such numericals, but still if you have any doubt, you can feel free to ask me at any point of time. You can put your queries or questions in comment box. See you in next session. Until then, take care. Bye bye.